Welcome to this evening anxiety release meditation. In this practice, you will be guided to release the stressors, worries, and anxieties that have built up during the day. This meditation invites you to let go of what no longer serves you, quiet your mind, and create space for deep rest and renewal. There's no rush or agenda, only the simple act of letting go and finding peace. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, knowing that you're supported, safe, and ready to release all that no longer serves you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Find a comfortable position and take a deep breath, releasing everything that's weighing down on you. Go ahead and close your eyes and let your body really get settled into the chair or the bed you're laying on. As you settle into stillness, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice your breathing. Each inhale brings in peace, each exhale releases tension. Let this natural flow guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. Now turn your attention inward to the feelings of anxiety or restlessness that might be present. Acknowledge them, but don't engage with them. Simply observe them as they are, like waves on the surface of the ocean, coming and going. You are the calm observer, not the wave. Imagine, with each breath out, you are releasing the weight of the day. Let the air you exhale carry away any lingering stress or anxiety of unresolved emotions. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, as if you're shedding an invisible burden. As you breathe, begin to mentally say to yourself, I release what I cannot control. Feel the truth of these words settle into your being. Understand that the events of the day are complete. Whatever was unresolved or caused you anxiety has passed. There is nothing to do in this moment. All you need is rest, and all is well. Now visualize a gentle stream of light flowing into your body, starting from the top of your head, going down your body. This light is calming, healing, and nurturing. Let it move slowly down your body, down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest, down your your back, your abdomen, down your hips and thighs and calves and your feet. This light flows through you. With each inhale, feel the light growing brighter and stronger, filling your body with peace. And with each exhale, feel the anxiety leaving you, as if it were being swept away by the current of this peaceful light. As the light continues to wash over you, feel the pressure of your mind beginning to ease. The thoughts that are spinning, the concerns that are pressing, imagine them as tiny pebbles being carried away by a gentle breeze. They are no longer yours to hold. Release them. Let go of the desire to control the future, the urge to anticipate in what's coming tomorrow. Right now in this moment, you are safe. There's nothing you need to do to change. Allow the uncertainty of the future to fade into the background, replaced by the certainty that this moment is all that matters. If a particular worry or anxiety arises, imagine it as a cloud in your mind. See it clearly, but do not hold on to it. Gently let it float away, like a cloud drifting across the sky. Every time a worry comes, simply allow it to pass. You don't need to hold on to it. You don't need to solve it right now. As you continue to breathe deeply and calmly, feel the last bits of anxiety dissolving. The light that you've been breathing in has been dissolving everything within you. Continue to breathe in the light from the top of your head all the way down your body and out your feet. As you breathe in, the light comes in, and as you exhale, it releases from the bottom of your feet, dissolving any remnants of anxiety that's left in your body. Keep breathing in and breathing out, and letting the light wash away anything that you might be holding on to, any thoughts or emotions that are pestering, any resistance to let go, any tension in your body. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. The light is entering from the top of your head and it's flowing down your body. Let it take away any mental pressures, expectations, any anxiety, stress, apprehension, to-dos, must-dos. Just let it all go. Trust that your body and mind know how to rejuvenate, how to heal, how to restore balance during the night. Surrender to this process. Feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound relaxation. With each breath, your body becomes more heavy, more still, more peaceful. There is no urgency here. No need to do anything except rest and release. Everything will be taken care of when the time is right. Allow things in your life to fall into place. Yes, we all have things to do, but this is a time for you to relax and rejuvenate. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Bring a sense of gratitude for this moment of peace. Gratitude for the ability to release, for the space to simply be. You are supported, you are loved, you are enough, just as you are. You are enough, and everything that you do is enough. You are doing the best you can do in your life, and now is a time for rest. We're approaching the end of our session, but you can continue as long as you like. If you feel that you need to repeat the session, do it as many times as you like, maybe every evening. Sometimes it takes practice to let go, so we practice letting go. We set a time in our lives to just sit and be with ourselves and let go and release all that no longer serves us. And over time, this relaxed state of being flows into our daily life, and you become a relaxed person. I'll leave you with that. Take care and be well. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.